Step 8 of my guide to building generational wealth delves into the pivotal aspect of next-gen investments, shifting the focus from personal wealth to the generational wealth you create by investing in future generations. You might ask, why should I invest in the next generation? We live in a competitive world. Competition is a huge factor in education, career, and financial arenas. Investing in the next generation provides them with a competitive advantage, which is crucial for navigating this cutthroat landscape. It also gives the next generation the confidence they may need to pursue their passions and make a positive impact on their community. Given this importance, the next question is, how do I invest in the next generation? There's a few ways. First, invest in early education. Investing time and resources in early education sets the stage for future success. Encouraging creativity, providing diverse experiences, and emphasizing the value of education are vital. Second, invest in the next generation's college and professional training. Supporting access to higher education or vocational training equips young individuals with essential skills that give them competitive advantages in the competitive job market. Third, invest in the next generation's financial literacy. Equipping the next generation with financial skills at an early age empowers them to make informed decisions about money management and wealth building. This helps them with their personal wealth building journey and will put them on the right path to building their own generational wealth. Fourth, invest in the next gen by giving in an intentional manner. The key word here is intentional. Don't just give money to your kids and expect them to make the right decisions. Instead, give strategically, whether through financial support or through mentorship. This can significantly impact the next generation's ability to achieve their goals. Fifth, make sure you have the right protections in place for yourself, such as insurance and a living trust. This safeguards your assets and secures a lasting legacy for future generations, even if something happens to you earlier than expected. Investing in the next generation isn't just altruistic. It yields tangible benefits for the investor as well. By preparing the next generation, you improve the community around you, giving you a brighter today. And then at the same time, you're equipping the next generation to create their own generational wealth and improve your community for generations and generations to come. My aim as I create the step-by-step guide is to guide someone starting from zero toward the path of generational wealth. I'll be releasing a blog post on our website and a YouTube video for each chapter. Eventually, I'll publish this guide into a book. This was a breakdown of my 8th chapter. Stay tuned for a video on each of the 10 steps, and please let me know your thoughts and feedback.